Hi, today I'm going to give you an example of being invited to a presentation that is destructive versus being invited to a presentation or a workshop that's destructive. I get invited to presentations all the time. The other day, I received an invitation to a workshop whereby you're going to learn how to leverage and use long and short-term investment strategies. So for my own sake, I wanted to learn, well, what is this about? When I looked it up, leveraging means you're actually borrowing money to bet. If you go long, you're going to buy an investment and you're going to bet that it's going to go up in value. If you're going to short the market, you're actually going to buy it with borrowed money and you're betting that the stock or the investment is going to go down in price. Well, there's always risk, obviously, when you're investing in the stock market. However, if you're borrowing money to gamble and speculate, you're taking on massive amounts of risk. And that fact is completely void in this invitation to this presentation. Now, a coach is not going to invite you to a presentation whereby you're going to learn how to gamble and speculate. They're going to empower you in discovering such things, for example, as how do markets actually work, how do markets set prices, how do markets actually generate returns. That's a very, very powerful person in the world of investing who's discovered how markets actually work. Another thing that an investor coach is going to help you learn when you come to one of their presentations is how to measure risk or volatility. Once you can measure something, you are always going to be in control as to how much risk or volatility you're assuming in your portfolio. Those are life-altering discoveries, and they're empowering discoveries. So investment or brokerage houses are going to invite you to presentations. They're going to try to lure you in. Ultimately, what they're trying to get you to do is gamble and speculate with the money, but they're never going to actually tell you that. A coach is going to help to empower you in making choices or making decisions that help you, that are empowering and helping you and your family fulfill on their American dream. Bye.